Welcome, my brothers and sisters. This is your sacred time, a time to pause, to rest, to return home within. Sit tall and straight, spine straight, body relaxed. Close your eyes gently, soften your face. Take a long, deep, slow breath in, abdomen rises. Exhale completely, abdomen soften. Again. Breathe in deeply and slowly, filling your whole being with life. And slowly exhale fully. Let go of all the tension. With every inhale, you invite energy. With every exhale, you release all what no longer need. This is the rhythm of life, the rhythm of peace. Feel the gentle stream of your breath. Inhale deeply, abdomen expanding outward. Exhale slowly, abdomen returning inward. Stay with this rhythm. Each breath carries you deeper, deeper into calm. Each exhale is release. Each inhale is renewal. Breathe in peace. Breathe out release. There is nowhere else you need to be. No past, no future, only this present breath. Breathing in, breathing out. So simple, so beautiful. Stay with the flow. Allow the breath to guide you. Soft, steady, and peaceful. Now begin to notice the spine. As you inhale, let the awareness rise upward from the base of your spine, through the heart, to the crown. As you exhale, awareness flow downward from the crown, gently descending to the base like a river flowing up and down. Inhale, rising in the light into expansion. Exhale, flowing downward into the peace, into the stillness. Feel the current moving within you, upward as you breathe in, downward as you breathe out, like the tide of the ocean flowing endlessly. You are breathing You are rising, you are flowing. This current is life itself. So focus on the breathing. Breathe. Breath rising upward, awareness expanding, breathe flowing downward, awareness rising and resting. Now, listen within. Every breath carries a sacred sound. As you inhale, hear the silent whisper, so. As you exhale, hear the soft echo of hum. So hum, so hum. So hum. So hum. I am that. I am infinite. So hum. So hum. Let the mantra merge with the breath. Let the mantra merge with your soul. So hum. Every breath is Soham. Every breath is remembrance. The breath is chanting for you. So hum. Stay with it. Inhale, so. Exhale, hum. Over and over, like the heartbeat of the universe. Now, let go of the mantra, let go of the technique, rest in the silence that remains. You are not the breath. You are not the thought. You are the vast sky in which the breath flows, in which thoughts arise. Take a deep final inhale and slowly exhale with gratitude. Slowly open your eyes. Carry this stillness with you into your day. Breathe, rise, and flow.